So basically, as you can see, that is the Sky Tower of Wrocław, and basically we're going to the 16th floor and we'll be taking some pictures from there. I think it'll be quite interesting. Before we go, I would really like to take a photo of the Sky Tower from down here. I really hope that I'm going the right way, because, well, as you may have seen from the intro, I had to travel via a bus first to get to this place, because that is not where I live. I live 30 minutes from here, and this is totally not my surroundings that I know. And basically we'll be like way up there. You do not want to know where I got the code from, but it works like a charm. Yeah, let's try it. All the way to the top. You can see 14th floor. And yeah, by the way, while we're in the elevator, I want to show you my setup. So basically, it's a Lumix S5 with a Helios 44-2, and in my backpack I've got a Sigma 2472. Yeah, this one takes such good photos. I mean, the softness of it is just insane. And to be honest, I want to be real quiet here. It is not totally legal, but oh my gosh, look at that. And apart from the Sky Tower, I would also want to take some pictures of this little intersection. I mean, not little, but still. Basically, what I want to do is I want to blur these cars as they go by, not as in light trails or something, but to capture the movement, you know what I'm feeling. And yeah, now we wait for, oh, there's a tram. Here we also have some view of the town. Maybe take a picture of some of the buildings. Yeah, that's also good. Oh yeah, and by the way, there's something written on this wall. I mean, door. It's a door. But like, so I'm from Poland. It's written in Polish, but I'll take a photo for you. Basically, what they are trying to say is that for people to not go in there and do not break into the closet. And I don't know if it has worked out. Like, as you can see, the lock here is like completely sealed. Yeah. Well, to be honest with you, I'm really upset that there are not a lot of cars. It doesn't look as good as I thought. I was talking about the Sky Tower. It would be a sin not to take a photo of it from here. I mean, oh God. The sky looks so good today as well. Like, that's just insane. One more try at the intersection. I can see like a lot of cars coming in. Maybe we can get them to line up nicely. That would be cool. Oh yeah, here they come. Well, I think that'll be enough for it. There's also another staircase up to the roof, but well, it's held in by these locks, so I guess we're not coming up there. Let's get down and find something interesting right there, maybe. And we're out. To be honest, I really like walking around the city at this time of the day, because it is so peaceful. Because like between 9 AM and 3 PM, there's just so many people and so much traffic and everybody's honking. But at this time of the day, it's almost dead quiet. This one car passed me by and Basically, that's all. That's all there is to it. If you're constantly in a rush, constantly doing something, you're all over the place. But basically, sooner or later, you're gonna get burned out. Oh, I have an idea. There's a really big tower in the distance. I don't know if you can even see it. Yeah, you can see it, like it's right there. I want to capture cars moving with the tower in the background. Let's wait for the shot. Oh yeah, here they come. That should be nice. Yeah, that's quite good. Well, to me it is really weird because the sky has been pink and orangey and something like that for like almost an hour. It's been like that for a really long while. It looks so calm. Oh yeah, it was definitely worth coming here. Let's get to photos, shall we? And just so you know, not by any means am I a professional photographer. I'm just walking around with my camera and trying to find something cool, but you could even say that I am still learning how to take good photos. Oh shit, a horse. Look at it. Well, I've seen horses in Krakow, but not here. That's weird. Here's a bus stop. I'm going to the shop to buy something to drink because I'm dehydrated as hell, but that'll be enough for today, I think. Maybe I'll take some photos on the way home. For now, I hope you're having a great day and see you in the next one.